I take photographs because I use cameras and optical devices to see. I'm legally blind, and so the world appears very much like an impressionist painting, but I'm fortunate that up close I can see detail. I want to see the things that have always felt out of reach. And then it's expressing the beauty in the world, the things I've always been fascinated with, sea life and water. It's wonderful. Has the MacBook improved my vision? Absolutely. It's allowing me to do things that I couldn't do a decade ago. I'm having the time of my life.